All right, you ready? I'm gonna flash.
I'm ready.
Yeah.
Okay, my smoke's up. I'm going. Don't worry. Entry Astra's going in.
He's in. Oh, I got shot. Dude.
Don't worry. Your entry Astra's got you any day. I'm so scared. I'm so bad, dude.
Like he wins these.
Got it.
One enemy remaining.
He's sticking.
Aww.
Dude.
I almost just fucking flexed on that arena, dude.
He's close. How is he not blind?
That's a
Built different.
Oh, he's not.
Oh, Kaemie's plimboing, bro. He's plimboing right now.
I'm too old for these terms. I didn't warm up at all, dude. This game sucks.
No, we're gonna pop off here, bro. This is your warm up.
No, if I die to Kaemii, I'm literally gonna cry, bro.
Just left.
Oh, nobody shot my recon. Okay, I'm just better.
Somebody is heaven.
Okay, he has an Aries. How did my team use all of their util and there's still an A main? I wish I had a beer right now, bro.
Charlie down, Charlie down.
You guys are insane. Good job. Don't worry, I grabbed both orbs. I have Astra ult, so I'm ready to get us killed. Can you buy me, Sage? I'll stop being mean to you. Thank you. I'm being mean to everyone. I'm swinging. Help me with the... Oh, I got her. Don't worry. I have ulti now. You guys ready? You ready for this ulti?
Yep, I'm gonna dog you.
Okay, here's the ulti. Here's the ulti. Go, go, go.
Dead?
Sucking Jen. Never mind. I can't do that. I'm concussing Jen. Nice. Good kills.
She is Omen, but cooler.
Yo, she got eczema? Why does her skin look like that?
She got a thick ass, too.
Yeah, eczema, baby.
There's three here, there's three here.
We're going to kill them all. What is he doing? XDR, how does it feel to get out-fragged by an Astra?
Dude, I'm about to say a naughty word. Shut up.
Wait, XDR, come swing mid with me. I'm gonna fake smoke it, and Kaemie's gonna walk up on it, and then we're gonna kill him. And then we can post it on YouTube, and we'll be like, haha, Kaemii! Oh, I wasn't Kaemii, but we got one.
Hold on. Okay. That was my kill, but it's fine.
You earned it. Honestly, here, I'll give it to you next round, okay?
Wall here, I'm Jack. Wall this thing right here at like, I don't know.
I have not seen this in like, it's been like a year since I've seen
Yeah, I know, nobody does this anymore. I'm literally just gonna run up mid since you're doing this, so... They peeked me catwalk! What did I do? Oh my god. Kaemie's a demon, dude.
That was actually so epic.
Good flash, good flash. Nice. There's two there, don't worry. That's okay, you'll win those next time. I'm pushing heaven. I'm making the wrong mistake. I'm getting spammed through a smoke. He's gonna res him in heaven. Oh, go XTR, go!
Chemistry with a.
Nice. No, don't kill that. You're gonna steal my kill.
I wanna
No, don't steal my kill, you asshole.
Why does he have so much health when he's down? Holy shit.
Nice flash. I did 200 damage to that guy and you stole it.
Yeah, I did like 900 to him, so.
Okay, okay. I guess you earned it, my bad. You wanna see the best wall in the game? It's also the most annoying wall. Okay, you ready? You ready?
Jacob died at the start of the round.
We get all map control. GG's. Run up. Take the map. Take the map. Take the map. We have mid control, dude. It's easy. All right, we push sight. We push sight, guys. Let's go. Ow. Fuck. Oh, he's behind me.
Oh.
Trade me, XCR. Dude, that Omen is lost, bro. One's mid and then arches, and then one is A heaven.
Yeah.
Okay, there's three of you. There's three of you. Don't be afraid of him.
Oh no.
Okay, maybe you should be afraid of him.
Quite simply outgamed.
You guys like that Astra ulti?
That actually is pretty cool.
Look at all the map control.
Too many button presses.
Oh my god, the marshals! Jesus fuck!
It is playable.
King with the one tap.
It was a body though. I think I might have even hit him with a leg, honestly. Ow. Ow, I hate this game, bro.
They're both up there. Sorry, Frost, for that fucking like the build up to that.
I'm dying through smokes every round, bro. This game sucks.
How did he gamer play
That's a
like
fake
that?
smoke.
Gamer play right there.
I don't know who you are, but watch this, King. Watch this.
I'm ready. I'm ready. Yo, if you whiff, I'm fake smoking this, and then I'm peeking. Okay?
Yeah. Yes. Yes.
I love just people
They're gonna be
typing
so
it
caught
out.
off guard by my stinger.
Typing it out.
No, motherfucker. Flash.
What? No.
I like the solo beat. It's a good.
That was a mind comp.
Yeah, don't worry. I got this on lock. They're here. They're here. I'm scared and I can't smoke. I cannot smoke them. I repeat. I can literally. I'm so fucked, guys. Oh my fucking god.
They're coming gay. They're coming gay. They're coming
My
gay,
Sky
they're
just
coming
blinded
gay,
me?
They're coming gay. They're coming gay.
My Sky blinded me again.
Bro, I turned away for a second. He's behind. He's behind.
Oh no. Okay, now they go B. They've been alternating. It's easy to see. Easy read. All 5 B. Come on. XTR.
Okay,
Get the fuck off
okay.
it.
Yeah.
Are we stacking B?
Yeah.
Yes.
They're going B for sure. 100%. 100% B.
Alright, back.
Yeah, A, B, A, B, A, B, yeah, non-fiction.
They're going A. They're
Oh no. They broke the pattern, bro.
Flash.
He's lit. He's lit. He's lit. Some frost. He's lit. Some frost. He's lit.
Okay, now they go B for sure. We have to stack B. Everybody come B. Everybody come B. They have to come B here.
He's in. He got me. Hey, Astra, revive me.
Alright, I lied to you,
He
everyone.
lied to us.
Oh, he's catwalk.
Alright, triple
He's got to be
A.
playing close to door if he wants. Oh, there he is.
Oh, he's Jen.
Oh, he got him.
Oh no, he's
What? What did?
He's done fine.
Nice.
I can't teabag, so pretend that I'm crouching right now.
Okay. Nice, dude. You're teabagging him so hard.
Good
Good teabag. Good bag right there. Good bag.
TPPM. High TPPM.
Here's the best Astra ult in the game. Don't worry, guys. Don't worry, I got you.
Oh, I was actually gonna buy you. But...
Thanks, Bird Brain.
That's the wall right there.
That's the one.
Nice, King Live.
Oh, I almost got the omen too, but I panicked, dude.
Wait.
One enemy remaining. Last player standing.
Good shot, Burbrain. Good shot.
One enemy remaining.
He's probably close. There he is, close. Oh my god!
He is so gross.
I guess his plan was you have an op. So he was like, oh, I guess maybe he misses? Like,
I couldn't heal you.
Oh,
Poop frick. You have knives.
fuck! I don't have a smoke for CT yet, but I will in a second.
Just
Oh,
watch
XTR
one.
died.
Ooh.
Imagine dying.
move.
What the fuck? He's out. That's my teammate. Never mind.
Up there.
Oh, I'm so fucked.
66.
I rift.
Standing.
Okay,
Oh,
thank
my
God.
God.
Okay, dropping smokes again.
Rotate. No, we rotate.
I just dropped smokes.
Oh my god, alright, go ahead. We rotate. Just leave. Just leave.
I hit it. No, leave. Go. No, get the fuck out of here.
Ow, ouch.
Does he mark it?
Yeah.
Backside. You have
Oh
to
my
plan
God,
it.
guys.
Never mind. You don't have to plan
Huge plays,
it.
huge plays, huge plays.
We did it.
Oh, you're welcome for the carry that round, boys.
Yeah.
Thank you for the carry.
Thank
that
you.
round,
Thank you for
boys.
the carry that round,
You're
XTR.
welcome. You're welcome. Thank me again, please.
Thank you for the
Thank you for
carry
the
that
carry
round,
round.
XTR.
You can say that again.
Thank you for that carry round.
You're welcome, guys. You're welcome. Please stop flattering me.
Fuck it, I'm peeking somebody. We have 40 seconds.
He's so good.
Oh my god, Jackie. I hate you so much.
I got so much info with that fucking peak though.
All right.
I hate that guy so much.
GG, guys.
I'm so tired of carrying.
I'm pretty sure I just got hard tilted after dying to Shorty like 6 times in a row.
Yeah, Kaemii, you're a demon.
I was like, alright, dude, I'm done.